Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Today for dinner I am making Sichuan dish called shui qi. Guo means mouth, shui is water, and qi is chicken. So it is mouth-watering chicken, or it is also known less elegantly as saliva chicken. So without further delay, let's get started. The chicken I use is this free-range half a chicken. Let's go ahead and place in the pot. Let's go over everything that I will be using today. I have 2 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorns, total of 10 cloves of garlic, 4 green onions, and the ginger, sea salt, turmeric powder is totally optional. I'm going to use this to help with the chicken skin color. Shaoxing cooking wine, light soy sauce, black Chinese vinegar. If you don't have this, please don't replace with a regular vinegar. It's not the same. Just skip it if you don't. Sesame oil and the chili oil. This ingredient is quite important in this dish. Here's what mine looks like. It's really nice, deep red, chunks of chili inside. First 5 cloves of garlic. Add to the pot. Add to the pot 1 tablespoon Sichuan peppers, cold water. Add enough to cover the chicken. Ginger, sea salt, turmeric, so all I'm doing now is I'm going to bring this to a boil. So now that it's boiling, I turn the heat down to way low. My timer is at 15 minutes. Then we'll shut the heat off, cover, and let it rest for like 20 minutes and check. So this has been going for 15 minutes. Now shut off the heat, cover, and I'm gonna push it off the heat here. Just let it sit for 20 minutes to begin with. Meanwhile, we'll continue and make an actual sauce. So remaining 5 cloves of garlic, medium kind of mince. I'm gonna save quite a few green parts for garnish. Now the ginger, not much of ginger. Let's do a couple slices. Like this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and toast Sichuan peppercorns real quick, just until fragrant. That's really good. Give them a rough grind. I like a mixture of very fine powder and the bigger corns left alone, so you don't have to bite into them. Go in with a few tablespoons of light soy sauce. I'm gonna go with 3 for now. black Chinese vinegar, adding some of that poaching liquid, and hot chili oil, a lot. Check this out. That's the color we're looking for. Yes, beautiful. Finally, just a drizzle of sesame oil. Perfect. Now we need to make sure that the chicken is done. It is absolutely done. And I need to cool this off completely. Get an ice water here and go in. So what this does is stops the cooking process so that the chicken doesn't overcook. And secondly, it will tighten up the skin and give really good texture. Okay, the chicken is completely cool. Look at this color. That is what I really wanted, that yellow color. Let's transfer it on the cutting board. I'm using this glass cutting board for this because yellow turmeric is going to stain my wooden board. And because I'm using glass cutting board, I'm not using my cleaver because I don't want to ruin it against this hard surface. I'm just gonna use a knife. And I am not very good on this part, but I'll do my best. Well, if you are anything like me and you just don't want to stick with traditional holiday meals, consider this being an option. It definitely has a lot of red, has some green, so it's quite kind of holiday color dish, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays to everyone. Please enjoy your time and take care.